All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that brief little introduction there. That was pretty much just me putting the Sport X10 earbuds to the test. And in today's video, we're going to compare them to the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro, because I'm sure there's probably a number of people that own the Liberty 3 Pro that want to know if there's any reason to pick up the Sport X10. So that's what we're going to cover here in this video. But before we jump into the rest of the video, let's take a second to talk about today's sponsor, which is Ativafit. So if you happen to notice the dumbbells that I was using in the introduction of the video, it's actually a pair of 55-pound adjustable dumbbells from Ativafit. And these things are excellent, especially if you like to work out at home, because this is like having an entire rack of dumbbells in just one set. So it's going to save you a ton of space. They also feature a gliding weight change adapter with a security lock, which makes it super easy to choose your desired level of weight. And once you choose that desired level, it's locked in and ready to go. It also features up to 5 gears of weight changing range. So I'm able to go from 11 pounds all the way up to 55 pounds. And they even have options that go higher than that. So they're using iron plates, so you're getting really good durability, and they even come with a 1-year warranty. So make sure you check out the link down in the description and use this code right here to save 15% on all of their dumbbell products. So thank you to Ativafit for sponsoring today's video. So as far as the charging cases between these two earbuds, the main difference here is the fact that the Liberty 3 Pro support wireless charging, while the Sport X10 do not. In terms of their overall size, they're actually pretty comparable, which is kind of crazy to think about considering the fact that the Sport X10 feature an around the ear hook. So as far as the earbuds themselves, when it comes to fit, it's kind of hard to beat the level of security that you get with a pair of earbuds that features an around the ear hook. But actually, for people with larger size ears, I think the Liberty 3 Pro are perfectly fine, even for working out, thanks to the number of different ear wings and ear tips that they provide in the box. As far as the Sport X10, if you have smaller ears and maybe the Liberty 3 Pro don't quite stay in place well enough for you to feel comfortable hitting the gym, then the Sport X10 are going to suit you better in those scenarios. Another key difference is the fact that the Liberty 3 Pro are using touch sensitive controls compared to the physical controls of the Sport X10. So that just comes down to a matter of personal preference, but you are able to achieve all of your playback controls with either option. And then lastly, you're also getting automatic play and pause with the Liberty 3 Pro, which is another feature that you're missing out on when it comes to the Sport X10. So for the codec junkies out there, the Liberty 3 Pro do have the advantage thanks to the LDAC support. With the Sport X10, you just have the traditional SBC and AAC. And then of course, you also have the multi-point connection with the Liberty 3 Pro. So as far as the battery life, these are actually putting up the same numbers with around 8 hours on a single charge and a total of around 32, including the charging cases. Now, if you consider yourself to be a very active person, the Sport X10 do have an IPX7 rating, which essentially makes them waterproof. So that is going to give you more protection over the IPX4 rating of the Liberty 3 Pro. So maybe if you sweat heavily, or you just want a little bit more peace of mind in terms of overall protection, the Sport X10 are going to be a great option. So as far as the active noise cancellation and transparency mode, the Liberty 3 Pro do have the advantage. And I would say that the difference is more so noticeable with the transparency mode. And that's probably because you have the two different options. You have fully transparent, and then you have the vocal mode. But overall, I just feel like they allow in more of your ambient sounds. As far as the overall noise cancellation, again, I would pick the Liberty 3 Pro, but honestly, the difference isn't that big. So you're really getting some respectable performance from the Sport X10. Now let's go ahead and get into what I'm sure most of you want to know, which is how they stack up in terms of sound quality. So the Sport X10 sound great. They give you a really good amount of bass, really nice, clean mids and highs, And of course, with the Soundcore app, which is one of the best companion apps out there, you can really tweak the sound to get them to a point that sounds the best to you. So the main difference here is the fact that the Sport X10 are using a single driver setup, while the Liberty 3 Pro are using a dual driver setup. So right off the bat, the Liberty 3 Pro do have the advantage. And with that, you are getting noticeably deeper bass. The mids and highs have a little bit more sparkle, a little bit more shine. So I really feel like they just have better overall range in terms of the sound that they can produce. So as far as phone calls, as you guys know, the Liberty 3 Pro are one of my absolute favorite. And both of these options feature a total of 6 microphones. So let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea as to how they stack up in terms of call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Sport X10 True Wireless Earbuds. Right now we have pretty quiet conditions, so this should give you an idea as to how you would sound in a quiet environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, so here we have the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. Right now we have quiet conditions. So again, this is going to give you a rough idea as to how you would sound in a quiet environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, now this is the Sport X10 True Wireless Earbuds. This time we have some crowd noise being played on a speaker. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound in a more noisy environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. And now we have the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro, this time with the crowd noise being played on the speaker. So give you a rough idea as to how you would sound in a more noisy environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So overall, if you own the Liberty 3 Pro, should you pick up the Sport X10? And I would say if you're able to get a really secure fit with the Liberty 3 Pro, there's really no reason for you to grab the Sport X10. Now, if you have the Liberty 3 Pro and the fit isn't quite secure enough for you to feel confident, to hit the gym consistently, then I would say something like the Sport X10 would be a great addition to your lineup. So I will put the links to both of these down in the description, and keep in mind for a limited time, you can get 20% off on the Sport X10, which makes the price a little over 60 bucks, which is a really good deal. So if that interests you, make sure you check out the link down in the description.